Hello everyone. Gautam Ayurvedic Academy online classes welcomes you all. Detailed drug series. Next drug is Ahifena. Here myself, Dr. MBV Durga Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyaguna, Sharada Ayurvedic Medical College. Ahifena. Ahifena is one among the Upavisha Dravya. It is a poisonous drug and it is also considered as narcotic drug, and it is said as chemical factory. That means it contains maximum number of chemicals out of it. So coming to the besonym, that is Ahe Fena Garalamiva Tikshna Gunatvat. That means here the plant is very strong, like that of venom of cobra. Venom of cobra. Coming to the synonyms, Funifena. Latex is strong as venom of snake. Nagafena, that is again latex is strong like that of snake venom. Kasfalakshira, on injury to the fruit yields latex. Sukshma bija and Sukshma tandula, it denotes that small seeds are very small. So coming to the regional names, vernacular names, English it is called opium or poppy seeds. English it is kaskas, Kannada afimu, Marathi kaskas, Telugu Gasagasalu or Nallamandu, Malayalam Karappu, botanical name Pepavera somniferum, family Pepaveraceae. Classifications, Ganavargikarana, Charaka, Shushruta not mentioned it, any Gana, Bhavaprakasha said in Haritakyadi Varga. Coming to the habitat, in India it is cultivated in UP, Rajasthan, MP and Bihar. Other than these states, if it is cultivating, it is considered as punishable offense. So it is narcotic drug, so it is cultivated in particular states only. It is permitted in particular states only. So coming to the varieties of Ahifena according to color of the flower. Here Shweta, that is white, Pita yellow, Krishna black, Chitra multicolor. These are the varieties. 4 varieties according to the color. And coming to the according to the action, Jarana, Marana, Dharana, Sarana. Jarana is digesting the food, and Marana, which is fatal, Dharana maintains the health, Sarana evacuate the malas. So these are the 4 types. Coming to the different species, Pepavera glabrum. This is the Pepavera glabrum and it is available in Turkey, Egypt and Iran. So coming to the Pepavera album, that is this one, it is commonly in India and Yugoslavia. Coming to the Pepavera nigrum and Pepavera setigram. These both are available in Southern Europe. One is cultivated variety, another is wild variety. So coming to the morphology of the plant, it is an annual herb with latex. Annual herb with a latex. Stem is erect, herbaceous, green, cylindrical, hairy with latex. So stem is erect, herbaceous. Herbaceous means weaked, and green means it is green color, not woody, it is green in color. Cylindrical, round, cylindrical means round. Hairy means it is having pubescence. Hairs are seen. If you see here, these are hairs. With a latex, if you cut a plant, then it will yield latex. So coming to the next one, that is leaf. Leaf is simple, alternate, sessile. Sessile means no petiole. Petiole is absent, only directly attached to the stem. That is why it is called sessile. And sheathing base, it entangles the stem, encircle the stem. Lobed, unicostate, reticulate, veined. Inflorescence is solitary, that is single flower at the apex, that is terminal. Cymose type of inflorescence. Flower is pedicellate, pedicels are present. Bisexual, male and female organs in same flower. Complete, Androecium, gynoecium, sepals and petals are present in same flower. That's why it is called complete. Large and showy. It is large flower and it is very beautiful, attractive. That's why it is showy. Red or white colored flowers. So coming to the fruit, it is a capsule. When it is dried, it split open and spreads the seeds. Seeds are small, white or black in color. Coming to the part used, raw opium. First one, raw opium. It is a dried latex obtained by the incision from the unripened fruit. If you give incision like this over the unripened fruit, then it will start secreting the latex. Then latex is let it be dried for the sunlight and natural air. Then after drying, it will change color into the reddish brown color. Then that part is collected like this. Then after collecting, it is called raw opium. Coming to the poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are collected from the poppy capsules. Okay, the seeds are very small. And poppy straw is a dried opium poppies. That is fruit. Dried fruit is opium. So it is collected, and this is narcotic. Chemical composition, mainly it is having alkaloids of opium are divided into two groups, that is phenanthrene group, benzyl isoquinone group. Okay, phenanthrene series contains morphine, codeine and thiamine. Morphine, codeine and thiamine. Morphine is olden days it is used for the painkiller. It is usually the best painkiller. Then codeine is nowadays it is used in syrups, cough syrups. Codeine is a commonly used in cough syrups. And thiamine. Then coming to the benzyl isoquinone groups, papaverine, nascopin and narcissine. So nascopin is commonly used in Otrivin. It is one of the chemical in the Otrivin. So it is a chemical factory, as I said before starting. So this is having so many chemicals which can be commonly used in medicinal purpose. Niryasa, Phalatvak and Bija. So here Niryasa rasa is Tikta rasa, Guna is Ruksha Guna, Ushnavirya and Katuvipaka. And Phalatvak is Tikta Kashaya rasa, Lagu Ruksha Guna, Shitavirya and Katuvipaka. Bija is Madura Kashaya rasa, Guru Guna, Shitavirya, Madura Vipaka. So coming to the karma of Niryasa and Phalatvak are same, that is Grahi, Madaka and Agnivardaka Ruchya. And Bija is it is Balya and Vrishya, it is not Madakara. Coming to the Doshagnata, Niryasa is Kafahara and Phalatvak and Bija is Pittahara. Rogagnata, Anidra, Atisara, Shula and Kasa of Phalatvak and Niryasa. And Bija is Krisha, Daurbalya and Darunaka. It is used in Darunaka. Amayaka Prayoga. So Darunaka, first one, paste prepared out of Ahifena Bija and milk applied over the scalp. So paste is prepared of Ahifena Bija and milk mixed and it is applied over the scalp. Atisara, Ahifena and bark of Kupilu mixed with honey stops all types of Atisara. Coming to the Matra, latex is 30 to 125 mg, powder it is 1 to 2 grams, Bija is 2 to 5 grams. Coming to the formulations, Ahifena Asava, Atisara, Visuchika it is used, and Nidrodaya Rasa it is used in Anidra, Agni Kumara Rasa, Ajirna and Grahani, Jati Phaladivati it is used in Atisara. So it is a poisonous drug, so it will have acute poisonic symptoms and mainly acute poisonic symptoms we will see. It is totally divided into 3 stages: stage of excitement, stage of stupor and stage of coma. So coming to the first stage of excitement, in this hallucinations, flushing of face, heart rate will be increased, anxiety. In kids it will show as with a symptom of convulsions. Coming to the stage of stupor, headache, heaviness of the body, fatigue, giddiness, pupils are contracted, face and lips are cyanosed, pulse and respiration will be normal. Stage of coma, no response for verbal commands, and deep pain. Relaxed muscles, reflexes are lost, pupil contracted, insensitive to light, low pulse and BP. Coming to the treatment. In treatment, gastric clavis with potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, endotracheal intubation, okay, the maintenance of body temperature, administering the antidote, that is naloparine hydrobromide 5 mg IV can be given. Coming to the fatal dose and fatal period. Fatal dose, it is crude opium 1 to 2 grams, tincture opium 3 to 4 ml, morphine 60 to 180 mg, injectable, codeine is 400 mg, heroin is 20 to 30 mg. Fatal period is 45 minutes to 12 hours. Contraindications, it is said as contraindicated in Bala, Vruddha, Madhumeha, Visuchika, Kafaja, Kasa, Vrukka, Shota. That means Bala means young, Vruddha means aged, Madhumeha is diabetic, Visuchika means patient suffering from Ajirna, is a type of Ajirna, and Shleshmika Kasa, that is Kafaja Kasa, Shota, inflammatory kidney diseases is contraindicated. Shodhana of Ahifena, Bhavana with Ardhaka Surasa for 21 times. This completes the Ahifena. So if you like, please subscribe this channel. It will be helpful. Thank you.